Okay, hello everybody. Today we are going to learn how to install USPEX software. So the first thing that you need to do it is download Octave. So you're going to the software center and here you're going to write Octave. Here I have two files that I have to install. I'm going to do it because that is too easy. Okay, so let's go to the real installation. Okay, first of all, you need to go to USPEX homepage, web page. Okay, and here you are going to go to USPEX downloads, and you must go to display, you must register, and then you could download the software. Okay, so I already did, so let's go to close this part. Okay, right now here in my home I have these two files, the manual and the software. The first thing that I'm going to do is unzip this file. Okay, that's right. I'm going to take that folder, I'm going to cut and put in the home here. Okay, I'm going to rename because I don't like it that way. That's not necessary, but I like to do it. Okay, now at this point you have to open your terminal and you're going to go to that folder. Okay, now let's see what I have in that place. These are the installation files from USPEX software. Okay, that's the last version, 9.4.3. so this is the important file because it is the file where you're going to do when you're going to do the installation. Okay, let's start with that. Bash install with this command. Okay, now let's put this in better to see. Okay, you push intro and now you're seeing that the software USPEX detect that I have Octave. That's right. Okay, now he's asking me where I'm going to install the software. I'm going to say /home/ my username / a folder that I want to create. I'm going to call USPEX. Okay, he push intro and he's telling me if I'm sure to install in that way, in that place. I'm gonna say yes, and he's telling me that the folder doesn't exist. I'm going to say yeah to create. Okay, as you see, the folder is created. Okay, and here we are in the last part of the installation. In the future, if you want to change that USPEX doesn't work with Octave but work with MATLAB, you can change in that place. Okay, and then you have the last thing is that you have to add these lines in this file, okay, and you have to know what kind of shell do you have. That is very easy. You must type in your shell in your terminal this echo, and now you are seeing that I have a bash shell. So that is very easy. So I have to do it with these two lines. Okay, now I'm going to show you where is the bash rc file. Okay, you're going to your home, and let's see the hidden files. Show the hidden files. Okay, and if you see here, it is the file. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to add these lines. This is the file. I'm going to add this line at the end of the file, right here. I need to copy and paste and put in this place. Okay, I'm going to close, save, and that's all. I'm going to close my terminal, close my home, and I'm going to show you that it is installed. Okay, let's open a terminal again, and you're going to write this USPEX, and you're going to put -b, and right here you see that I have already installed USPEX 9.4.3 version. Thanks for watching me.